Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaportal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Atma Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to our Panchaportal series for the month of October this year. My name is Karishma, and today I will talk about health for this week, which is from October 6th to October 12th. Guidance for this week is all about balance. You are either doing too much or doing too little. You are somewhere out of balance. The main struggle with your health is that you have not set up your boundaries and are struggling to fulfill and are neglecting or overdoing with regards to your health. The guidance is to have control. You need to slow down. You need to have self-love, as this will help you to connect with yourself and create inner peace. This also will in turn help you to be in peace with your inner and outer worlds. As we all know, stress can impact our heart, lungs, shoulders, arms and hands. It can also cause high BP. So this week, it is a good start to get into a habit of yoga or meditation. This week, also practice forgiveness to yourself and to others, as this will release the unnecessary burden and stress out of your body. Heal yourself, and whenever you feel that you are unable to do it, consult or seek therapy. Go for counseling for your emotional thoughts. The key is to think positive. Let go of what's not in your control and be happy and content, as this will reflect on your health. Stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Sons and Alpa, your Mokshpata expert and guide, here with you in the Panchaportal program for the period of 6th October to 12th October 2025, sharing the divine guidance for the Mokshpata board regarding relationships. This week is a very favorable time for relationships. It is a beautiful phase to nurture your bonds and express your motherly love to those close to you. The focus is on giving unconditionally rather than expecting or taking. Bring balance in every area of your relationships, whether it is with your partner, family, friends, clients, colleagues, or even with yourself. Balance means not only being there for others but also being present for yourself. It is about giving time, love, and attention equally without losing your own emotional strength. When you maintain this harmony, relationships naturally become more meaningful, peaceful, and fulfilling. It is also a time to reconnect with Mother Nature, drawing healing energy from it, and stay grounded. Take care of each relationship with love and mindfulness. Reflect within. See where you may be lacking and gently nurture that space with understanding and affection. For those with young children, this is a golden time to guide them lovingly, teach them good habits, hygiene and discipline with kindness and care. For those with adult children, spend quality time with them, listen deeply and understand their world. This period supports everything you wish your children to learn. Invest your energy in sowing these seeds now. Let your presence be your gift. Let your love be your lesson. Let your actions be your legacy. A relationship is like a garden. What you water will grow. Wishing you a week full of love, harmony, and meaningful connections. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Moksha Pat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, energy therapist and divination expert. Today I am going to give you the guidance for spirituality from October 6th to October 12th, 2025 according to Mokshpat board. इस सप्ताह आप अध्यात्म का कोई नया अनुभव कर सकते हैं. कोई नया पृष्ठ आपके सामने खुल सकता है अध्यात्म का, या फिर आप स्वयं किसी नए दृष्टिकोण से अध्यात्म को समझ सकते हैं. संभव है कि कोई नया मार्ग या गुरु आपको अध्यात्म की ओर प्रेरित करे. इस सिलसिले में आप कुछ नए व्यक्तियों, समूह या संस्था से जुड़ सकते हैं, और ये भी संभव है कि आप उनके साथ किसी आध्यात्मिक यात्रा पर जाएं. हो सकता है कि आप किसी आध्यात्मिक चर्चा में सम्मिलित हों, या फिर आप स्वयं कोई व्याख्यान दें आपकी अपनी आध्यात्मिक यात्रा और अनुभवों के बारे में. आपके लिए सुझाव ये है कि किसी भी व्यक्ति, समूह या संस्था के पक्ष या विपक्ष में कोई भी वक्तव्य ना दें, बल्कि अपने अंतर्मन में झांककर अपने विवेक से प्रेरित होकर ही कोई भी वक्तव्य दे. Your statement should be unbiased. और जो आपका अंतर्मन, आपका विवेक आपको जो मार्ग दिखाए उसी का चयन करें, क्योंकि अध्यात्म निष्पक्ष होता है. यह व्यक्ति विशेष की ग्रहण क्षमता पर निर्भर करता है. ईश्वर आपको अध्यात्म का सही मार्ग दिखाए, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye.
Namaste. Guidance from the Mokshpat Board for Business and Profession for the week 6th October to 12th October 2025. The first and very important advice from the Mokshpat Board for your business and profession is to stay grounded and connected to Mother Earth. We need to ensure that your business practices and principles are aligned with the environment and are eco-friendly. We need to remember that we are alive on this planet because of Mother Earth and her nurturance, and therefore it is important that we in turn take care of her and protect her in every possible way. If you are facing losses in your business, it could be because of your dominating and controlling nature, because of your anger, because of your ego which says, I am always right. You need to let go of that attitude, be more open to suggestions, bring in changes in your strategies, be open to accepting innovations. The decisions that you take because of your anger is creating a lot of chaos, losses, and conflicts at work. Try to bring in an environment that is friendly, that is inclusive, and that is open and flexible. This will 100% help you improve your business. A simple, easy way to control your anger and stay calm is the age-old practice of chanting Om. Try to chant Om every day for at least 10 to 15 minutes. That's all for today. Stay tuned for Light and Energy. Sonal Kapadia, your Mokshpat advisor and trainer.
Atma Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to the Punch Portal series for the month of October this year. My name is Karishma, and today I'm going to talk about finance for this week, which is from October 6th to October 12th. The guidance for this week is that you need to try new ideas and ways to expand your wealth and your assets. You need to connect with the right people who can help you create the expansion you want in your finances. You also need to create an effective plan to execute your plans in the right way. The guidance also indicates that you need to create a little momentum in your finances. If you have not looked at your portfolio or are finding a stagnancy, this is the right time to do your research and see what actions are needed to expand your wealth. Also take a look at the current market situation and make the necessary changes. Do not avoid making investments, but rather make your research stronger and more powerful. You can consult or take advice from a financial advisor and create the momentum to move your stagnant energy of money. Do not let any opportunity go by. Do not miss it because of your lethargy or fear of investments. If you are in a profession where marketing is required, then re-strategize your advertisements in ways to increase your opportunities, to create the finance for you and help you to reach a larger audience for your better financial opportunities. Thank you.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.